Perform the following steps to self-test the plugin, to test the configuration that we have entered, to test the connection that we've created between Microsoft Entra ID and WordPress using WPO365. Well, performing that self-test is very easy. Simply go to the plugin self-test and click the Start Self-Test button. And when I do, I will be taken to Microsoft. And here I can choose from one of the accounts that I want to sign in, because I want to test whether I can sign in with Microsoft. So I do that. I select one of the accounts, I enter password for it, and I click to sign in. And when I've done that, I'm taken back to the configuration page, to the plugin self-test page of WPO365. And here I can see how each test performed. I can see that I've created an application client ID, that I picked the authorization code user flow, a few things more. The important test here is that I can decode the ID token. And here I can actually view the content of the ID token that I received. So I can see the email address that is sent, I can see the family name, given name, and a few more details. I can see the UPN of the user, etc. So that is a great help to understand whether the connection is working, yes or no. Do we get an ID token, yes or no? And what's actually the information in that ID token? So basically I can now continue and scroll down to the list and see what is installed and what is working and what is not. And if something is red, then maybe I can have a look and see what is wrong and can I do something to correct it. So in this case, the plugin is still complaining that I have not configured custom domain names. And it actually urges me to go to the user registration page. And here at the top, I can add the custom domains. That's basically the domains that users may use when they sign in. So you saw before that I signed in with Ellen at WPO365.com. So I can enter here users coming from WPO365.com should be expected to sign in. It's not an allow list. It's simply a help for the plugin to know that the user that has a username or an email address that ends with this ending is probably a user that's signed in with Microsoft. So I save that configuration and I can actually now go back to the plugin self-test, repeat the self-test, and again select the account that I used before to sign in with. And when I do that, I can scroll down to the test that previously failed, so the custom domain names are configured, and I can see that now it is okay. Well, that's it. So basically, as you can see, single sign-on using the OpenID Connect protocol is working as expected. So I would say that brings this tutorial to an end, and I wish you good luck. If it's not working for you, if you have any questions, then please don't hesitate. Just click the question mark. It opens the beacon, enter your name, enter a subject, your email address, and tell me how I can help. And send this as an email message to me. And you may expect an answer within the next 24 hours, normally a bit faster. In the weekend, it may also take up to 48 hours. Thank you for watching and good luck.